Yep, it's true, guys. I lost my job this week because of cutbacks on the coronavirus.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I don't know if y'all know, I'm a crane operator. So I was subcontracted through another company to do a job. Dude, I'm not going to name out the companies, but the first thing they do is go ahead and get rid of all the contractors. All they want to do is keep the plant running the way it is. I understand that. It cut about 300 of us. I believe we got working now, 25 people. It is what it is. I'm not going to sit here and bitch to y'all about it because I got a wife for that, you know. Also, my printer took a shit about a week ago, so I got that problem. I was going to buy a Epson, maybe 1430, you know, go ahead and have the nice printer ready for the RIP program. But I'm not going to spend any money on a printer. You know, printing t-shirts is kind of like a hobby right now for me. I'm not making no money. So I'm going to hold off on that. But I do have a surprise. I got another way to do it, I believe.
Stop it. Get some help.
I never done it. I ain't even looked it up, but I believe I can do it. We're going to try it. With all the bullshit going on with me this week, why not take a ride in the Mustang? Maybe spin a wheel. If I get a ticket, I can't pay it. Let's go.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The foe in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The foe in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the...
These seatbelts really are a bitch. Especially when it goes around your midsection. Just say it. Just say it. haul ass. And it'll break loose at 50, 60. You gotta be careful. This ain't no damn toy.
Well, hello there. Welcome back to Poor as Hell Man Printing. Let me show you what I come up with because I don't have a printer and I don't know if it's going to work or not. We will see. Check it out. Alright, so what we come up with, my wife prints those cups and uses silhouette to make all the...
I don't print cups.
Whatever the hell you call it. What do you call it? You cut vinyl with a vinyl machine. She cuts vinyl with a vinyl machine. So I got her to cut this out of vinyl, and I'm gonna stick it on the screen and burn it. Let's see what happens. Oh, also I got the 21-step calculator before they shut everything down in the whole wide world. Lights off. Best way to do it right here. Put the screen in. All right. So I was told this is the best way to line it up, which they're probably right. Work. Just push the corners down. All right, work. Now I got a full screen in these raggy ass clamps. Make sure I'm centered up and not like last time, burning half the damn screen. I hope this works, guys. All right, 20-second burn. Why is this light on? Oh, the water on the outside needs to be cut on. Damn it.
I'll go do it.
You got it? You sure?
Yeah.
If it's rough, just give me a call, okay?
Okay.
All right. Look like it worked pretty damn good. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you'll
Check.
learn closer than me.
What do you mean?
I told you that it would work.
I'm full of shit. All right, guys. So it looks like I got a 4. That's a 4. Everything come out perfect, but I got a 4. Yeah, just leave a comment and let me know if I'm doing something wrong with this 21-step calculator, because I ended up with a 4, and I think you're supposed to have a 7. And you're in. Dry. While we wait on that to dry, why don't we have a nice frosty beverage? Where's my frosty beverages at? Hey, woman. On a hot day like this, you need a nice frosty beverage. That's pretty good.
Oh yeah, oh make this work, but you know that I got you. I just need you by my side. Will you be mine? Can't get away from you, even if I wanted to. I'ma be so good to you. You and I will see this through. Baby, I need you more than you need me, yeah. Feels like we're popping now. Changes, they're stopping now. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave from my side. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. You kill the lies, we come to life. I see the fire in your eyes. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. When you say my name, oh na 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 yeah, I can feel the rush. Oh na 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 yeah.
Not bad at all.
So I'ma keep you from drowning. I hope that we got enough time.
Alright guys, so I found a problem.
Surprise, motherfucker.
The pallet is not lined up with the press. So, therefore, the print I just did is off a little bit. Just a little bit, but it's off. Let's dive down, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is just my pallet line, center line. Now you look right here, it's lined up, right? But you come down here, you can see it from here. Look how bad the line's off. When you stand back here and you look at it, look at the press and look at the line. So I guess I'm gonna have to shift these bolts again. I mean, look how much I'm already shifted. And it's off just by a little bit. China press. Check it out, guys. Oh, buddy. First shirt, first sale. Had a few problems getting the design to line up, but we got it figured out now. With the old China press.
You need me, yeah. Feels like we're popping now. Changes, they stopping now. I can't stop thinking about